Hello everyone, welcome to AppStore Radar. Today, I'm going to review this app called Veggie Weekend. So, if you are a vegan or vegetarian and you love to cook healthy vegan or vegetarian food, this is the app for you. The app pretty much covers many world cuisines including Indian, South African, Swedish and Mexican. Stepping inside the app, you can see pictures of all the meals, which is a very nice touch. When you click on a recipe, you can read the description of it and see the step-by-step instructions for how to cook it. If you slide from the right side, you can see all the ingredients. There's also a handy timer which can be very useful. You can also search for recipes and save your favorite ones. Another great feature is that you can change measurements or temperatures to your liking in the settings section. I hope you download this app and cook some great stuff soon. Till next time, take care.